Hey guys, welcome to Kunist's channel. Today I would like to recommend you a very useful Tesla protection accessory. It's very practical, especially for car owners who often run on the highway. He installed it right where the front air grill of our car is. Because the Tesla front trunk has a bigger air grill, the gap is so big that you can see my finger can reach in. The Tesla condenser is placed at an angle to make room for the trunk, so mosquitoes, leaves, cigarette butts, willow flakes, and other debris attach to the surface and are very hard to fall off. It is also very difficult to clean when washing the car, and over time it will also clog our condenser, which can easily lead to loud air conditioning noise and odor. Today we recommend this product can be a good solution to these problems. Split design, show you the details. The back is a snap design. Assembly is simple. Installation is also very simple. Align each snap corresponding position. You can see that this is the effect of the installation is completed. It is very clear to see the effect of an insect screen. Leaves are attached to the insect screen above, by the air inlet sucked tight. If the insect screen is too dirty to clean up is also very simple. Just remove the insect screen mesh, very simple and convenient. If you want to remove the entire insect screen, it is also very simple. You need to remove the insect screen cover first. Pry open the clips and you can remove it. Very convenient and quick. After the installation is completed, it is obvious to see that it is still very close to the original car. To make up for the shortcomings of the original car, the effect is very great. Hey guys, don't underestimate such a cheap thing. They are very useful. If there is really a foreign object falling in, it is not a problem that money can solve. That's it for the video. See you next time, bye.